Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey Willies! My name is M.Azra Lilam Putra from English Literature with the NPM of 24111-013. Today, we are going to learn about sound. Yes, there are millions of sounds that we often hear every day, like this sound, or even this sound. But the sounds that we're going to learn today are not those that I've mentioned. Instead, the alphabetical consonant sound. Does it ring any bells? If you look on the English dictionary, you will find some symbols that perhaps you never seen before in the alphabetical order, like these two symbols over here. What are they exactly? And how do we pronounce them? These symbols are the TH sound, which are included in the pulmonic consonant category in the International Phonetic Alphabet, or the IPA. It is clear that this sound has two letters, T and H, and I believe you all know that T says T, T, and H says H. But when we combine those two letters together, they will produce two different sounds. Why TH? In English pronunciation, the TH sounds are paired together because they share the same spelling and they take the same mouth position. There are two TH sounds, the voiced TH and the unvoiced or the voiceless TH sound. Azra, what do you mean by voiced and unvoiced? Well, the voiced TH sound means our vocal cords vibrate when we produce the sound. Meanwhile, when the TH sound is unvoiced, our vocal cords don't vibrate as we only release air through the mouth to produce the sound. Let's take a deep dive into this, shall we? The first one is the voiceless TH sound, which can be represented by the letters TH or with this symbol. To make this sound, all you need to do is first open your mouth slightly, then place the very tip of your tongue between your teeth, like this. Then blow some air out past your tongue. Note that the tongue shouldn't stick out too far and there shouldn't be any pressure in the mouth or a stop quality to this sound. If you're doing it right, it should make a soft sound like this. The voiceless TH sound can be found in many English words, such as thunder, thing, through, tooth or teeth, path, breath, bath, north, and south. Remember. Now, can you think of some other examples of voiceless TH sound? What day is it today? Is it the day after Wednesday? Correct! It's Thursday. Thursday. What is the name of the planet that we lived in? Yes, the planet Earth. Earth. The second one is the voiced TH sound, which also represented by the letters TH, or with this symbol. The method to make the voiced TH sound is pretty similar to the unvoiced sound. Place the very tip of your tongue between your top and bottom teeth. Then, blow some air through the space between your tongue and the teeth. All you need to do is add sound to it, or in this case, your voice. You will produce a buzzing sound similar to the Z sound, but with a different tongue position, like this. Sometimes your tongue won't stick through your top and bottom teeth to make the voiced TH sound. When linking words together, your tongue is sometimes placed right behind your top teeth. The voiced TH sound can be found in some other English words, such as these, those, feather, smooth, gather, weather, brother, and other. Now, I will give you some time to think of other examples of voiced TH sound. What do you call your parents at home? You're right, our father and mother. My friend is standing over there. Correct. 10 points for Gryffindor. There it is. Now you have known what the TH sounds are and how to practice them. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.